Sorry guys, hindi ko ngayon na videohan. So, ano nangyari? I forgot. And yes guys, I do this. Kaganina ko pa ito ginagawa. And yes. And sorry guys, kakagising ko lang kasi. Yeah. That's why I'm videoing kasi kaganina video ako, di ba? Ito na yung reveal. Nakagawa na ako ng bridge. Alam niyo na kung sino naggawa nito. And I will post this in YouTube, by the way. Hindi sa TikTok. And sorry mapangit yung school ko. Pero I try my best, but I can't do a school by myself. So gagawin ko na lang mamaya yung lahat ng dito. Yes. And hindi pala ako makakagawa ng still a brain rot because I will only have part 2. Oh, I need to only have part 3 for to do in YouTube. And yes, you know it. Yeah. And hindi ko pa pala ito natatapos. Okay, done? Ayan. Okay na tayo. Alam nyo na kung sino nagawa nito. And thank you so much that who did this thing. Because this was cool. And thank you so much that who do this tutorial for how to do the bridge. The cool bridge. And thank you pala. And yes. Later I will do a part 3 to do the other sides to do the school because my mommy has work tomorrow. Yeah, meron kasi siyang work tomorrow. That's why. So I think I might do it tomorrow. So bye guys. Part 3.